Welcome to this Home Lab Amazon Web Service. Today we're going to talk about the AWS CloudTrail. So what's the CloudTrail? AWS CloudTrail keeps a record of all actions taken in your AWS account. It's like telling you who logged in and what changes were made and when. It helps you monitor active and detect suspicious behavior for a better security and auditing. In simple way, CloudTrail tracks user actions and an API active in AWS. This is our AWS Management Console. So here, click on the CloudTrail. So as you see, it says AWS CloudTrail continuously log your AWS account activity. So let's click on this left bar, go to the dashboard or the event history. As you see here, this is all the API calls in the CloudTrail history. So let's create CloudTrail. Click on Create Trial. So it has three steps. First step and the second step and the third step. We will gonna go one by one. So let's give a name of the trial. Will be so the name of the trial will be Home Lab Event. As you see here, CloudTrail creates a new S3 bucket. If you want and you have an S3 bucket existing, you can use one. But for now, I will gonna just create a new one and change it to HL, which stands from Home Lab Event. We have created a new S3 bucket. This S3 bucket will be the destination where all our logs will be saved. So our next option is to crypt the log files. By default, CloudTrail logs are stored on an S3 with the server-side encryption, so it's automatically encrypted. For this purpose, or for this demo, you don't need to enable this. Let's uncheck the log file validation. And now let us click Next. And let's keep everything as it is and click Next. And create a trail. As you see, we have created our first CloudTrail. We have given a name and the home region. And we have allowed a multiple regions and all regions. And, and we have created a bucket. And still we did not associate with the CloudWatch. So let's go to our CloudTrail. As you see, here it says we have to just wait 5 minutes for the last log file delivery update. So we have to wait for 5 minutes. As you see, after refreshing multiple times, We have today's date and a time. Let's check and search for an S3 bucket. As you see, this is our bucket that we have created. AWS logs, CloudTrail, US East 1, and the date. As you see, this is our bucket and the date. Let's go to the CloudTrail. On the event history, as you see, this is the created trail that we have created and the bucket that we have created. As you see, we don't have any EC2 instance. Let's create a one. We will keep everything as simple. Proceed without a key pair and launch. Let's go to our CloudTrail. As you see on the event history, we're gonna tell us everything, event name and the event time and the event source and source type and the source name. So let's wait. As you see, this is how to create a CloudTrail and generate a log. This is our EC2 instance that we have created. Quick summary. CloudTrail logs all user and API actions in your AWS account, helping you track activity, audit, changes, and improve security